Let's talk about why vitamin C is a powerhouse ingredient. Vitamin C is the most abundant antioxidant in human skin, which forms a part of the complex group of enzymatic and non-enzymatic antioxidants that coexist to protect the skin from reactive oxygen species. When the skin is exposed to UV light, reactive oxygen species such as superoxide ion, peroxide, and single oxygen are generated. Vitamin C protects the skin from oxidative stress by donating electrons to neutralize the free radicals. Exposure to UV light reduces the availability of vitamin C in the skin, which highlights why it is so important to apply vitamin C daily during the day. Skin Functional has two vitamin C products, namely oil-based vitamin C and anhydrous vitamin C. Both products offer benefits in skin brightening, collagen synthesis, and antioxidant protection. The oil-based vitamin C has 20% tetrahexyl decyl ascorbate, and it is suitable for dry and sensitive skin, while the anhydrous vitamin C has 10% ascorbic acid and 3% ferulic acid. This is the strongest vitamin C, but only suitable for combination and oily skin. Both formulations are stable as vitamin C is only able to oxidize in the presence of water, and there is no water in either of the formulations. Get your antioxidant protection from our website today.